Hello students, how are you? I am sure that all of you will be safe and sound at your home. Regarding our previous discussion, we have already started a topic related with our writing sections, that's the article writing. During that very discussion, I have already provided you a lot of ideas, informations as well as guidelines. Just after providing you a lot of informations, ideas, guidelines, I am sure that every one of you will be in position to sort out any problem related with article writing. So that's why today I have to think a new topic for you, like speech deliverance. So all of you carefully, minutely and seriously focus my today's video and follow me.
Speech deliverance. So, my dear students, just before going to think about speech deliverance, we have to think about making a speech. So, all of you minutely and carefully listen these all the guidelines. Speaking on the stage may seem to many like writing a paragraph. There is no doubt that in several ways there is true. However, please remember that many great writers fail to be a good speakers on the stage. Addison was a great author. He is still considered to be the father of modern English prose. When he had become famous as a writer, he was once invited to make a speech from the stage. The story goes that he began with the sentence, I conceive, and repeated it thrice, but couldn't think of saying anything more. Then someone among the listeners stood up and said, Mr. Addison, you have conceived thrice but have produced no child. Addison sat back, cutting a sorry figure. So, my dear students, just before going to complete any speech, whether you have to complete it on a stage or you have to write down in your answer sheet, you should keep the following tips in your mind. So, before you write your speech or make it, the following tips may help you. First of all, do not panic by the piercing looks of your audience. Only concentrate on what you have to say. Do not try to look sidewise while speaking. This will show your lack of confidence. Next one for you. Speech making is not paper reading. You can, however, carry a small slip with important points on it for reference. Next one now. Do not use long sentences and difficult words. It hinders communication. Simple language helps. Next point for you. Give arguments and instances to support your point, but be polite. Next one now. All successful speakers are very entertaining as well as convincing. So try to argue in that manner if possible, through it is a difficult art. Next one now. Let there be no show of pride. Give credit to your listeners, not to yourself. Next now. Monotony must be broken by a change of tone. When you want to emphasize your point, you must change the pitch of your voice. Next one now. Do not speak as if you are in a hurry to leave the stage. Give short pause wherever they seem necessary. My dear students, just after providing you a lot of informations or ideas related with speech deliverance, I would have to select a problem along with its solutions. So all of you focus that very problem or question. Like increasing indiscipline among students in school and college is a matter of great concern. You feel that with the help of value education, this can be controlled. Now, you have to write a speech in about 120 words on the need of value education to be delivered in the school assembly. Now, as for its solution, first of all, we have to think about its exact title or heading. So, in my opinion, value education will be the exact title for that very speech. Now, you have to complete that very speech as: respected principal, learned teachers and friends. Gandhiji, in his famous book My Experiments with Truth, points out that education without moral is worse than no education at all. The reason is simple. A man without value will use education only for his own selfish interests. While doing so, he will not bother if the interests of his friends are harmed. Such educated persons naturally become danger to the society. Well, This is the flow with our school and college education of the day. The old values of teachers, love for the students, and the students' respect for the teachers are wanting. Consequently, there is a great deal of indiscipline in schools and colleges of the day. There is also not much love among the students for one another, so they often quarrel in schools. In the college, ranking of the fresh students continues because of the absence of these values. I therefore feel that the value education should be a part of education. Rather, it should have a place in our curriculum. My dear students, just after having a lot of ideas, information, or guideline related with speech deliverance, I would like to select a problem for you. And I am sure that all of you succeed to sort out that very problem without any confusion correctly. So, you have to prepare yourself about the question. Your school is celebrating World Child Day. You have been asked to deliver a speech on the topic child labor. Write the speech with the help of the hints given below in about 120 words. Thanks a lot. We have to start our next topic next day. Thanks again. God bless you and hope to see you again.